you. Hello, everyone. I'm Scott from HostGator, and in this episode of Hosted, I'll give you my top 5 payment methods for your e-commerce site. Yay, money! Woo! When it comes to collecting money from people who owe me money, I know how to get the job done. And I don't mean making offers they can't refuse. I mean that I know the best payment methods for customers to securely pay for their stuff online. There are plenty of choices out there, but these are my top 5. Number 1, PayPal.
Wow.
Nice.
PayPal is one of the most popular payment, I don't think I've ever been that excited about PayPal before. PayPal is one of the most popular payment options out there with over 250 million users today. Tons of people trust it, which means it's way easier to plot people out of the sales end of your conversion funnel. AKA making that money. Whoop, whoop. That's what that means. Adding a PayPal button to your checkout process is easy if you're using an e-commerce solution like WooCommerce. WooCommerce! PayPal does charge for each transaction, which is usually a small fee, plus a percentage of the sale amount. But totally worth it to convert those visitors to customers. Number 2, Amazon Pay. Likely most of your visitors will already have an Amazon account, which will make it super easy to collect their dough. Amazon Pay integrated into your checkout process allows the customer to check out without entering their payment details again. This seamless and super secure option is easy to integrate with their Express option, or with a bit more work, you can use their API to make a more custom experience. Amazon Pay also charges a flat rate plus percentage fee on every purchase, but still a prime decision.
Wow. Really good.
Number 3, Google Pay. Google is also a huge company, which means they have tons of users, many of which have a credit card saved in their Google account already, reducing the barriers to purchase for your customers. This intuitive and secure payment processing option also offers loyalty programs, digital gift cards, and other deals, giving you and your people options. Plus, it works with PayPal and Visa checkout, so it's like a twofer. Oh, and it's free to use.
Wow.
Wow, don't get so excited, everybody.
Wow.
Number 4, Apple Pay. For all those Apple users out there, including like more than half of the people in the US today, Apple Pay is an intuitive and easy method to check out using a one-click option on websites that accept it or a simple Touch ID on mobile devices. Dang! Easy! Apple Pay uses tokenization. So once your credit card info is input, it is never again transferred over the internet, allowing the service to act quickly but securely. It's a little more complicated to set up using their API with a compatible platform, but like Google Pay, it's free to merchants and customers. So the apple juice may be worth the squeeze? Apple juice? No, not funny? Okay, a little funny? Sorry, it's an insider joke. Okay, yeah. Redeemed myself. Number 5, Square. Don't be fooled by the name. Cool people use it too. Square is a great option, especially if you plan on accepting in-person payments in addition to online payments. In addition to their physical credit card swiping point of sale options, they also offer e-commerce solutions through their API, allowing you to charge customers in the real world and in the virtual world. Like some of the other options, there is a fee with each purchase that varies slightly based on payment method, but they're all based on a flat fee plus a percentage of the transaction. And there you have it, my top 5 favorite payment processing options. Take the money, leave the cannoli. In the next episode, my top 5 Godfather movies. Yes, there are only 3 in the trilogy, but part 2 takes the 1 through 3 slots of my top 5, so we got a lot to unpack. Hopefully it's not too confusing. Okay, bye! Mike, are you a Godfather fan? You got a good Godfather impression?
The only impression I have is, I forget his name, but it's the guy who finds the horse head in his bed. Just his face. Ah! Ah!
Yeah. I feel like that's how I would react if a horse head was in my bed.